Hey Hooper, Karrie here from Current Motion Hoops. In this video, I'm going to share with you a movement called the weave. For this, I'm going to use an adult beginner hoop. You can use any hoop. You can use a hand hoop or a kid's durable hoop, but it doesn't really matter what you use. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the hoop in our dominant hand. In this case, it's my right hand. And I'm going to start with my palm facing up, and my hoop is hanging down with my elbow inside the hoop. From here, I'm going to cast the hoop forward like a fishing rod, bringing it across my body and coming back again, and repeating this pattern going back and forth. If you find that your hoop is swinging and going more horizontal, just loosen your grip to allow it to swing more upright. Something that can help is think of standing on two parallel lines, and the hoop is going to come down and touch on one and the other and back and forth. As it goes back and forth, side to side, you may notice that your thumb is guiding the direction the whole time. So this can give you a bit of an anchor point or a frame of reference. So this movement is really handy for a few transitions. So with this, what you can do is sending it back and forth. As it's coming from the same hand, same side, create a nice horizontal, which you can jump right through. With some momentum, it'll go right on over your head, and allow it to go all the way down and then bring it across your body, continuing on like nothing happened. So in real time, this looks like same hand, same side, up over my head, all the way down, and then I continue on across my body. I'll show you this from the front as well. So it's weaving side to side. I make it horizontal, I jump right through on the way down, and I send it back and forth. Another option that uses a very similar method and movement is as it's going back and forth, creating that same horizontal and letting the hoop touch the floor. Here you can pull it back like a bow and arrow and end up inside your hoop. My free hand just grabbed the far side. Now I hula hoop to my left, so my right hand is going to be giving the hoop a push. But you'll notice that I'm on the inside of my hoop. This is not a very common position we find ourselves in, but we can definitely make it work. So my hoop is nice and horizontal, my elbow is in at my side, and what I'm going to do is just swing my right hand into my tummy, and I'm right into waist hula hooping. If it feels incredibly awkward, check to make sure that your arm isn't way out behind you. Rather, tuck it right in, and you can even do a little turn to help transfer that momentum onto your body. The other option for this kind of tap method is letting it tap and bounce right back up and over, and you end up inside your hoop. Your other hand can brace to bring it to a horizontal and sending it right into waist hula hooping. Very good. So this is a fantastic move as you're beginning to find your flow. It makes it really smooth and easy to transfer into different movements. So whether you're just weaving and you go for a jump through and you end up inside, you can give it a whirl and you've gone from off body to on body. Likewise, you can make those catches here, bringing your hoop up, and just tell that hoop where to go, how to get there, and you're right back into the weave. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Feel free to subscribe for more videos, and happy hooping. Bye.